Yeah. Check it out. 2020 vision. Remy in the system. Eminem edition. Yak and mom spaghetti in the kitchen. The last time me and Tab was in the kitchen, it was black roses. Now we back to study the soil that the plant grows in. The can is open, the plan is unfolding. The whole planet is planted home, panic and frozen. Global pandemic, and Bill Gates planned everything. You can ask Reddit. Shit, forget it. You asked betted that stimmy check. And now you got bad credit plus interest. Congrats, you've been finessed. And now your ass broke without a penny left and begging for another handout. What will they think of next? Shit. Okay, I hit the vape pen at Target, then I started choking. What an awkward moment. People noticed my cough, they thought I caught the COVID. Fuck. But you ain't think shit.
Good morning, boomers. It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, crypto's finest champagne crypto. Thank you for booming in. We got a Bitcoin rebound testing resistance today. Looking like it wanted to hit 41, but it got pulled, it got rejected. We'll be talking about the altcoins that may be warming up, Phantomatic, where are the plays, and more. Shout out to the boomers that are tuning into this live broadcast. Make sure you touch all the buttons, the like, the subscribe, the post notification bell, the ding ding. Stay tuned in to the good crypto word that we spread every single day. Make sure you check out that artist's music that I played at the beginning of the broadcast. 2020 Vision is the name of the title track, and the artist is Shottie, Shottie. It's on Spotify if you guys want to check that out. Let's get straight to it, guys. Let's look at the charts. Let's look at what's really popping. Shout out to Manuel Herrera. Good morning, long time. Welcome back to the chat. Guys, make sure you drop a comment and let me know if you read me loud and clear. For some reason, I can't monitor myself here on the headphone, so I don't see them. I can't hear the microphone, but I see it here on my dashboard. So let me know if you read me loud and clear. Shout out to the maniacs out there. Let me go ahead and pull up some charts and check out the health of the markets. BTC making a run this morning. And I'm trying to find another coin whose technicals appear more favorable than Bitcoin, but it's hard to find that right now. I'll tell you that much. So here's the chart. Let me turn off these coins. You can see this morning, just a few hours ago, about a couple hours ago, we tested, 4,925. Very close to the resistance that I have been identifying as the threshold that I would like to see passed for me to feel more comfortable in picking up more bags. Do you follow Chico Crypto? He's been predicting a bear trap since the beginning. I follow him every once in a while. I've been talking about... I don't describe it as a bear trap, but myself, I've been saying that we're in a downtrend ever since May. And because of that, I haven't been picking up any more coins. I have been sitting in stable coins for months now. I mean, I've done some plays, but any substantial plays I've put on hold because I see the market has been on a downtrend. So, yeah, I do follow Chico, but I'm not enough to... see whether he's predicting a bear trap or not. I mean, let's look at the year to date. Ever since we fell down here, ever since, May, I said we've been on a downtrend. You could see it here. And now we're trying to break out of this resistance, which is this last high. So like I've said, if we could break out of, it looks like we may today, but, we need to not only break it, but stay above it for some time. Okay, so let's see if, I would expect us to go down and maybe we rebound here from, if we can rebound from like 36 and then, we touch 41 going on to 36 and then back up to like maybe 44, perhaps maybe, the things will change. Shout out to Jojo. Good morning. Ostel Gray. Good morning. Corporate McMahon's here. The boomers are here in the box. Indeed. So that's what's going on. Bitcoin with a nice, I got to say, I wasn't expecting this. This is a nice, looks like, kind of like head and shoulders here. A nice boom this morning up to almost 41. Shout out to Manuel. Shout out to Corporate, Jojo, the rest of the boomers. Let's go ahead and look at what the top gainers are today. After Phantom being one of the top gainers. Now we got Ellipsis over there on BTC. I believe that's like a stable swap. We've talked about this. I think did we get into a pre-sale or did we attempt to? I'm not remembering correctly, but it's up. EPS, which is Ellipsis, and then you got Rune, which is one of my favorite blockchains, although they've been having trouble. They've been hacked more than once, twice in the past few weeks or in the past month. And I'm still trying to figure out how to retrieve my private Ethereum keys from the Thor blockchain. Once you create a Thor wallet on one of the front ends, it gives you a key store. The key store lets you access a bunch of sub wallets, which include Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Binance, and others. So yes, I do have the 12-word key phrase, which restores my wallet, but I can't get just the password, just the private keys for the Ether wallet, because I want to get those private keys and access the wallet through another front end, specifically to get those Fox token airdrops. Shout out to Manual Corporate. Guys, make sure you check out the link down below for the Fox token airdrop, because I had, I think, over 3 wallets, about 5 wallets that were eligible for token airdrops. So, you may be. My understanding is if you've traded ERC20 tokens with a private wallet, you may be eligible. So check that out, and it's real easy to check it out. Poly Yelled got exploited last night. It was bad. Okay, I've heard about Poly Yelled, but I'm not in that one, And I'm kind of glad, because a lot of these shit farms, guys, I mean, they're cute when the market is bullish, but you got to watch out when things are not, because anything can get exploited. Even the bigger platforms like Rune, they got hacked 2 times in the past month, and it's one of the blockchains I consider legit. And who knows? I mean, those hacks could have been by, inside man, for all we know. I don't know, So anyhow, that's a shame. Hopefully you didn't suffer any losses. And if you did, hopefully you can rebound quickly and recover that. Let me go ahead and pull up CoinGecko. Bitcoin up 32% in the past 7 days, outperforming most coins. Ripple's doing well. Polkadot's doing well. Out of all the blue chipper type of coins, the only one that I've seen outperform Bitcoin right here is Matic in the past week. How's Matic's technicals looking this morning? Have they turned favorable against Bitcoin? You got Matic against BTC. Is down today. It's still a sell. Right now, everybody still wants BTC. They still want BTC. You could stake wrap BTC on the Phantom network on Beefy for about 18% right now or something like that. Let me pull that up. I was checking that out not too long ago, trying to find out where the best deals are. Let me see if I can pull up Phantom Beefy. Yeah, and then we'll check up on our Tomb Finance stake. Let me switch over to the Phantom network. It seems like the hot commodity right now is BTC. I can see why. And you could see over here on Beefy. This is on Phantom. Once you connect to Phantom, I'm not in this pool, but I'm definitely checking it out. BTC paired with Ren BTC. These are wrapped BTCs. And you can receive APY of 14%. Vault APR is 12.5, with almost an extra 1% with the trading APY. You can see says this is the vault that has the most value locked in all of the Phantom, on the Phantom side of Beefy, out of the 32 vaults. So, this is something to consider, This is pretty attractive. This is much higher than most other vaults on other chains. I don't see BTC returns up at 14. BTC's been king, George. You know the deal. I've been saying it for a while. I mean, it's just, more bits, more kabooms. And although I haven't bought the dip personally, if things change and stay above 41, then I'll start attacking. So that's what's going on. Let me go ahead and check out Tomb, because I've been staking T-shares thanks to one of our chat group members here, Electric Buddha. He donated a T-share and asked the champ to stake it here in the Masonry and cover it for some time, which I've been doing. So I've actually got a little bit more. I've reinvested a few bucks back into the T-share, not much, but we started off with one T-share. We got like 1.05 right now, and every day it's about $10. The APR is very variable. Some days I see it at 300 or 400%. Some days I see it at 1400%. You know, this thing jumps all over the place. And you can see the price of T-share right now is 536. We've seen it go up to like 600 recently. T-share rewards you with TOOM token. TOOM is the first algorithmic stablecoin on Phantom Opera, and it's pegged to the price of Phantom. That's the TOOM price is at 22 cents, so it's about the same price as Phantom. So let's go back to the masonry and go ahead and collect. And yeah, this one's been pretty steady. And then we can head over to the spooky swap and we got 50 TOOM coins. I'll sell half of them for USD and then reinvest the other half. And things are pretty fast over here on Phantom, I'll tell you guys that. Where's my TOOM? There you go. TOOM, 25 TOOM for T-shares. Max that out. And then I'll reinvest that T-shares. I'm waiting for a couple comments and questions here in the box. Phantom is doing well. I mean, it was the top gainer yesterday. And, you know, besides Matic, this seems to be like a legitimate alternative to Ethereum. It goes pretty fast. You know, I'm patiently waiting to see what's going to happen with Pulse. I'm telling you, I keep looking at this Pulse thing. And I'm waiting for the announcement date of the snapshot. Okay. And there you go. Boom. 664 million. This thing is wild. Buddha's here. What up, champ? You can buy T-bonds now with TOOM because it's under peg. Oh, I just bought T-shares, so maybe next round. Let me go ahead and stake the few bucks of T-shares that I just bought. And shout out to Buddha. He's the one that donated this T-share for us. And I'll keep an eye on this T-bond. I was just showing the chat the beefy finance side of Phantom where you could stake Bitcoin for like 16%, which is one of the higher rates that I've seen of all blockchains right now. And then the T-bonds, you could buy what? Yeah, you can buy T-bonds right now. Shout out to Buddha. All right, guys. I think we covered most of the beats out here. I just wanted to make sure I touch base with you guys. Let me see. Click on the pit, he says. Okay, let me check that out. Buy and redeem bonds. Earn premiums upon redemption. Okay. So this is somewhat of a mechanism to peg the price of TOOM to Phantom. I'm not sure how this works, but it's like Electric Buddha says right now, you could buy T-bonds now with TOOM because it's under peg. You can click on the pit and you know, here it is. I just purchased the T-shirt, so I'm not going to do that now, but it's here and these bonds are available, so we'll keep an eye on it. I appreciate that. And what else we got here, guys? I always look at my Matic because I got a bag over here on this protocol, My Finance, making sure it's always on the peg. It's at 99 cents. It usually has been above $1, so right now it's kind of off peg. I mean, nothing significant, but it's more than usual. And then I got a little baggie on ICE. The last time I checked, like $50 there. It's insignificant. What happened to this ICE platform? Who knows? And that's about it, guys. If there's any other comments or questions, let me know. I got my eyes over here on Hex. 13 cents on Hex. And let's see what it does. Let me see that full featured chart on Hex. Yeah, 13 cents there with Hex. It burns TOOM when you buy Team Bond, and you can redeem the TOOM when it's back above peg for more. Okay, thanks for letting us know. Yeah, I'll check it out. I could have bought a T-bond with the earnings, but I ended up just, doing 50-50, taking profits and then going back T-share. Maybe tomorrow. Let's see. But yeah, I appreciate that, Buddha. George Brown's here. Austell Gray's here. The rest of the boomers. I just wanted to cover these platforms for you, cover the markets, make sure that we're all in tune, and we're focused on the boomers, guys. Sometimes it's just about patiently waiting and continuing to show up to bat every single day. We're patiently waiting for that Pulse airdrop snapshot announcement, and I'll keep you guys posted. And if anybody knows when that snapshot's going to occur, let me know, because that's what I'm anticipating. I'm going to move over a significant amount of capital over onto the Ether blockchain so it could be duplicated later on the Pulse chain network. So they're going to take a snapshot at some point. They haven't announced the date, but whatever's going to be on your wallet is going to be duplicated on the Pulse chain. So you'll have a PETH, PHEX, PUSDC. All of these duplicates are going to launch at zero value, and the market will decide what they're worth. So, it's, in my opinion, it's it's worth it, because even if it's worth a 1% more, it's basically a free gain. BTC staking on Curve Phantom is good too. Yeah, that's basically what I was talking about, Buddha. Staking it on Curve and then depositing that LP over there on Beefy for a little bit of optimization. But that seems to be the best deal for BTC right now. For BTC gains, the best deal I'm seeing right now, maybe I'm wrong, is on the Phantom Network wrapped BTC. So, you may want to consider that. And that's via Curve and Beefy. But yeah, guys, that's about it. We'll keep you guys tuned in, and if anything should change, I'll pop up on you guys. But I just want to make sure show up to bat every single day and show you guys love. Shout out to Buddha and the rest of the boomers, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Stay strong out there, boomers. It's the voice of the blockchain Satoshi's biggest cousin, crypto's finest champagne.